Hello, my mom and I were watching a squirrel in her yard, and he ran up the apple tree and picked a green apple off of the tree and held it up and then ran off with it in his mouth. And it was one of the cutest things that I have seen in a long time. So, because it's my mom's birthday, I decided to draw this squirrel that we saw carrying the apple and give it to her on her birthday for her birthday card. Welcome. I'm your Doodle Dragon, here to share the journey with you through little drawings. I'd love to hear your comments about the drawings and things you'd like to see. Our squirrels have rounded foreheads and little round ears. I noticed that the squirrels back east in the eastern United States have tufts of hair on top of their ears that make them look pointy, but our squirrels always have round ears. I made great big eyes with dew points to make sure that he looked super cute. This is not a realistic drawing, but it is a special way to have a little memory or a memoir of the event. And I really made sure to fill those eyes in so they didn't have any white spots left showing through. Then I made a little round nose and just a hint of a line underneath and a little mouth with a subtle smile to give him a friendly look. This squirrel's ears also have a little more definition with the little round sideways C. Now here I'm drawing his hands, and our squirrels have these little paws. Well, they're paws actually, but they look like hands when you look at them up close. You can see their little fingers, and they're kind of pointy on the end with their fur and their claws. And their feet have that same look with those really pointy toes. Again, technically paws, but they just look like hands and feet. And they're so cute and expressive. So I drew them pointy on purpose because that's the way they look when they stand. Then I did try to make some definition for the color just to make it stand out a little, so I left that tummy a little different. Now this squirrel is standing on a branch of the apple tree where he picked the apple. And so I made this little branch with those pointy leaves because the apple leaves are pointy. In this picture, we are looking at the squirrel and the squirrel is looking at us. My mom really loved this for her birthday. By the time you get this, she's actually received the card and she really loved it. And I sure did love making it. Here I am showing you the colors that I used with my Tombow pens by writing the numbers. It also gives me an easy reference to which color I want to use and shows me what they look like. I did like the way the squirrel turned out, but I had wished at the time that I had some lighter browns. I used the two lighter browns that I have, but they were a little darker than I would have liked. Maybe I'm going to get a few more Tombow pens. I'm keeping them in business, I think. It's not a sponsored video, but I do really enjoy using these markers. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this drawing and my mom enjoyed receiving the card. And please like and subscribe and join me again as I continue to doodle my way through life and I have the wonderful opportunity of sharing with you. See you soon.